Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and I am back with a really quick, easy Tip Tuesday for you guys. I know I've been doing the little storage mini series the last few weeks, but we're going to take a break from that. And in a couple of my recent videos, I shared that I was going to be showing you guys how to take the badges from the Revival Camp kit and turn them into paperclip clippies. So I know a lot of people were kind of wondering what to do with these badges, and I wasn't quite 100% sure what I was going to do with them. So I decided to make some clippies with them, and I just really quickly wanted to show you how to do that. It's really simple. And so these are from the latest Revival Camp kit. I will link that down below for you guys from Illustrated Faith and Dayspring. And they came with this little pouch of 4 badges, and then each month for July, August, and September, you will get these badges if you order the kit. And I just turned mine into paper clips that I could stick inside my journaling Bible as I work through the entries. So they do add a little bit of bulk, but not too bad, and they'll just sit right at the top of your page and mark your entry and act like a tab out the top. So I thought that would be a fun way to use these. You do want to make sure that you use some washi tape at the top of your Bible page just to reinforce your Bible page if you are going to use these, because they are a little bit thicker and heavier and you don't want to tear your pages. And don't ever use your tabs to turn your pages, because that's when you have a chance to tear them. So just be sure to add, I'm trying to see if I did it over here, like add a little bit of washi tape underneath the clippy, or another tab or something to kind of reinforce the page before you stick these paper clips on. So let me quickly show you how to do this. I've already done 3 of them. So all you need is some felt. I just got super inexpensive craft felt from Hobby Lobby, and a paper clip. I believe these are considered jumbo size. I will link the gold ones down below that I have, but you can use whatever. But I like the bigger ones as opposed to something that's a little bit smaller. Or you can use the ones that are this shape here if you're wanting even more reinforcement. You can use these ones. So I will link both of these down below in the description box. And then you're going to need some hot glue. Yes, mine's a hot mess over here, and I'm going to try not to burn myself on camera. That's my goal today. So I'm just going to take a little square of the craft felt. I found it's easier if it's in a square to then cut a little circular piece out of it. And you want it big enough that you get good coverage on the back of the badge, but small enough that it's not sticking out everywhere, if that makes sense. So this is about the size of a quarter, maybe a little bigger. And so you can see how that fits on the back there. And so what you're going to want to do is you're actually going to slide the felt underneath the paper clip first in the little smaller side. Just like that. So here's the bigger side, here's the smaller side. And then you're going to apply your hot glue. Maybe. I've got one of my hairs in there. Okay, so I'm going to apply a good amount of hot glue. I don't want too much of it to ooze out, but I do want to make sure that that's adhered really well. So I have kind of a dollop of hot glue there, and then you can place the badge over the top of that. And then without burning yourself, I'm just going to kind of push down to make sure that it's good and adhered and straight, but I want to make sure that it's really locked in around that paper clip and adhered down to the badge. And make sure that you're not gluing this longer side down to the felt, because you won't be able to slide it over your page if you glue everything together. So you want your page to kind of slide in between there. So it's about a bajillion degrees here, so it's going to take a little bit longer for this to set, but that is it. Easy peasy. And now it's all ready to slide onto a Bible page. I did tuck it down a little bit lower as opposed to being way up here, just so that it seems to be more secure. If you attach it towards the top of the paper clip, then it's a little bit more flimsy and you're more likely to tear a page or have it pull off or something like that. So I do make sure that it's adhered pretty low down onto the paper clip. And that is it. So that's how I made those clippies out of the Revival Camp badges. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. I will have links to all the products mentioned down in the description box for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.